You all. Could be spiced up just a little bit. What's going on, YouTube? Tom here. My GoPro's decided it wants to die right as soon as I start to film. So, I'm actually on my phone. But, today comes the car mod I promised for the car. I know, you all see the thumbnail. Don't worry, taillights aren't going anywhere. But it is taillight related. Just reach in here. Diode Dynamics Taillight Sequencer. So what this does is for the taillights. As most people know, with the Mustang you get the sequential taillights, but only with turn signals. Not when you unlock the car, not with the brake lights, not with your hazard lights, which is essentially the other reasons your brake lights light up. So this is something, it's $80. I'm going to put a link below to Amazon. Unfortunately, it's not an affiliate link anymore. Amazon decided, for whatever reason, just to completely get rid of my affiliate link. No explanation why. But $80, I don't think it's a terrible mod. It's not that bad price-wise, and it's actually pretty easy to install. Yes, I loosened up bolts ahead of time here, but luckily you take these little bolts out. Simple enough. And then I'm just going to move you all over to the side here. You just lift up spare tire compartment. This back panel here should just lift right out. Simple enough, right? On the bright side of filming in the evening, it's not so hot right now. I'm not drenched in sweat just for doing a few minutes worth of work. Guess I shouldn't be afraid of breaking it, but somehow it still feels like it's gonna break here. There we go. So you gotta pull up. Somehow you're always afraid you're gonna break it, even though it's made out of decent plastic. So once you get that off and out of the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm pretty horrible at doing install videos. I apologize in advance to you all for not being very good at the how-to part. Next big question is, how do you even get this unplugged? Again, one of those things that just looks so easy on YouTube. Then you go to do it in person and you're like, man, how do you actually do this? But anyway, come back to that part. Then you just take the piece of carpeting here and you just kind of pull it out. I guess they changed the design on the Mustang, so it turns out on 2018 you got to remove these little push pins. So you don't have to, but definitely would make things easier, because there's the, I don't know if you all can see this, but there's the taillight plugs in the back. So, by the looks of it, I messed up and I need to go get some form of push pin remover. I will be right back. Okay, so there are actual tools designed specifically for pulling out push pins. I unfortunately do not have one of those, so once again I'm just turning to my trusty $6 spudger kit. Because when in doubt, one of these will pop it off. You could probably also use a screwdriver just as easily. Of course, now that I've said how easy this is, of course it's not going to come off. Well, either way, you'll get the gist of that. I'll come back to that in a minute. There we go. It's easier. So you get the right little piece. There. I shouldn't have spoken too soon. I'm already breaking a sweat here. See, things always just look so easy when you do them online. Then when you go to actually do it, they never work right. So somehow I gotta get this little pin out without. There we go. I just heard something snap and I didn't like the sound of it, but it should be fine. So, oh, that's a magnet that holds this on. Anyway, once you finally get it off, just pull this to the side. Yeah, that magnet's just gonna stick. You just unplug your taillight. Are these marked? I don't even think these are marked. You just take one of them. Let's plug in the right plug. Zip ties would be considered optional in this case. Not really required, but if you're one of these people that wants your hidden wiring to look good, I guess I would recommend it. Alright. So push pin remover would be helpful. But, God, that's why I hate doing work outside in the summertime. Test this out just to make sure. Well, let's do this then. Hopefully that's plugged in right. Test this out. Well, it's not what I wanted. Don't tell me I did all that just for something to go wrong. Sounds like I got hyper flash. You gotta be kidding me on this one. Well, well then, turn that off. Well, actually right now this is already going downhill. Let's switch them out here. Let's just push it in all the way. Maybe that's the problem. I doubt it. Oh, I doubt that's the problem, but yeah, you know what? I'm already giving this pretty low marks. This ain't winning any awards from me. Okay, let's try the other one just to make sure. Maybe these are secretly directional. Okay, let's try this one out. My one does more of what it was supposed to do, but I'm beginning to think I got gypped here. Okay. I don't even hear it clicking. I think these things are busted. Okay, that one at least works most of the way. Let's go turn that back off. Yeah, it's not winning awards here. You know what? Let's do this. Let's go ahead and put the other one in on the other side here. Just experiment. Okay, so now I got both of them in. One of them doesn't work.
What's it supposed to do?
It's supposed to be...
Huh?
It's supposed to be like the turn signals. It's supposed to be doing what that one does, but... Well, that's the... I'm hitting the unlock button. It's supposed to be sequential.
It'll be right.
No, I installed the one that's on this side, the driver's side. I installed it on the passenger side first. It didn't work. So I figured, well, let's switch them. They're not directional, but maybe that's the problem. I think I got a bad relay, so I got to contact the seller. Yeah, we got hyper flash on this side. Yeah, it looks like we got... This side's got hyper flash. This side, at least, works. I think I'm just going to take these off. This side's working fine. Sequential as it should. Well, overall, it's not looking good for this. I guess I could safely give this a 5 out of 10 for at least attempting one. Halfway worked, but the other one doesn't. Ugh. It just doesn't seem like the other one's doing exactly what it's supposed to be. I thought it would be like the turn signals. So we put this on one more time. Because the two light up. Then the third one. Waving to our neighbors. Oh well. I'm just going to go ahead and say I'm going to give this a mediocre at the moment. I might as well put the Amazon link still. I know I said at the beginning of the video I'd put that in. So I guess I'll put it in just to be like, well, it's... I'll give them half a chance. I will at least give them the chance to write it. See what they say when I'm going to complain to the seller. God, I don't know how hot I get just after a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and complain to the seller, see if they're willing to fix it. Hopefully they'll be able to fix it and we'll be on our way. If this at least works, I will put this on the car for sure. But it's not looking good. And at the moment, it's just... I don't think this is something I'm going to be doing if I can't get this to work. This is a Diode Dynamics product, which I know they sponsor a lot of big YouTubers out there, so... I mean, I guess when you get something for free, that's what happens, but... Oh well. I guess everybody, let me know in the comment section below what you all think of this product. I mean, if anyone else has this product, if you all have had this problem, let me know how you fixed it, if you fixed it. Obviously, if you fix it by returning it, I guess that's a fix. But, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. I'm a little bit disappointed. I planned this video all day, so it's the content I'm going to make. Anyway, if you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. I promise I'm going to do more reputable mods in the future. This car's not going to get all Amazon parts. Anyway, if you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. We are close. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.